Christian names. All my Christian names. All my Christian names. All my Christian names. Do you feel misunderstood? Do you have questions that you can't ask your parents and friends? Do you just want to get away from stupid boys? Do you want to grow closer to God and grow into a sexy, spiritual, stupendous woman? If you said yes to one or more of these questions, we're inviting you to a once-in-a-lifetime 4-week experience that'll change the way you see yourself and God. So get off your sorry butt and come to church beginning Friday, March 6th, and I promise you, you won't regret it. Boys are excluded from this offer.
To do it again.
Damn it!
What?
It's so hard. I don't even know what to do.
Just be like super enthusiastic.
Super enthusiastic.
Why isn't this working right now? Did you turn this off?
No.
Oh my god, it's still going.